Welcome to a MotivHealth tutorial. In this episode, we're going to show you how the new member portal displays on your iPhone just like an app. The first step is to go to our website on Safari. So open up Safari on your phone and go to MotivHealth.com. At the top right, you'll see a hamburger menu or a drop-down box. Click on that and then go to the very bottom where it says Log In. This will take us to the member portal login page. From here, you'll click the share button at the bottom and then you'll scroll down to the bottom and click Add to Home Screen. Here we can edit the app. We will just call it MotivHealth. We like to capitalize the M and the H. Then click Add or Done at the bottom. Now on your iPhone, you'll see that you have an app called MotivHealth. And as expected, you can click on it and it will direct you right to the member portal login. This new MotivHealth app will show you your steps activity. You can look for health services. You can look up physicians. You can contact us directly from the app, and you can even check your HSA balances. Well, there's a quick summary on how you get the MotivHealth app onto your iPhone.